Good day for the day. Our topic it's all about restricting choice, digital right management. Digital right management is one of the today's hot topics and it's raising a number of important issues. Example, consider the transmission of film and the like via traditional broadcasting techniques or via satellite cable link. So these approaches include the use of technologies that limit the copying and use of copyrighted work and proprietary software, like software technologies design how to control or how to use it or edit and share content or information asset via online or channel. In March 2007, the Electronic Frontier Foundation, which focuses on defending consumer rights freedom of expression, produced an interesting report entitled Who Control Your Television? So, through social media, more advertising na nakikita natin about of trends in our society nowadays. But it's up to us if we want it or makaka-impluwensya ito na aton. The, the digital television transmission promises innovation and competition in even more gadgets that will give consumer unparalleled control over their media. This restriction will take away consumer rights and abilities to use usefully acquired content so that issue can be sold back to them. In the document, they describe an elaborate digital right management scheme called Content Protection and Copy Management, which various content providers are attempting to impose. They provide severe example demonstrating the possible ramification of the CPCM scheme. For example, the CPCM will allow content provider to apply copy restriction level to broadcast stream. For example, a program could be marked as copy never. In turn, your DVRs and other devices receiving that signal will have to obey and forbid copying even for home use. A content provider could opt to allow recording but still enforce a multitude of restrictions of copying to other devices. So the content protection and copy management, which is hirapo ang nag-aalaga or na nanginginano para maiwasan ang plagiarism. For example, for copying of files or other works that warikit authority na ang kununiton. At the time of writing, it is not possible to determine the intent to which those promoting the CPCM scheme will process. However, this provides us with an interesting example of how one hand move to digital and computer-based technologies offer unprecedented opportunities for the end user, but on the other hand, can also be used to readily impose draconian restriction. So in this sense, the possibility exists that the move to digital transmission will in effect represent giving in one hand and taking away from other. Within or not even overall effect is net win or net lost for the end of user remain to be seen. Computer fallibility and the use of expert system. The hardware and software system that comprise a computer are designed and implemented by humans. Computer systems are operated by humans. Humans are fallible and therefore the machine which we create and the way in which we operate such machine are able fallible. It is entirely incorrect to consider that computer related technologies are able to provide infallible solution. So this gave a clear insight into the fallibility of human technical creativity and also of our fallibility in the operation of our creative endeavors during its construction. Perhaps our abilities have considerably advanced since those times. Computer can fail catastrophically, for example in terms of hardware failure. It's simple, by generating erroneous results due to operator or software error. For example, a bank manager may have made a decision not only on the basis of the client's previous track record and background, but also on basis of other factors that arise through human communication, putting this is a simple gaining an overall expression of the person. So, the manager ang naglalaman kung ano ba ang gagawin sa kanyang mga kliyente or another task record na nandun sa kanyang files. So this is not something a machine can do, but rather something that a person can accomplish, and it's often based upon year of experiences. In the content of computer of system fallibility and medical care, it is worth really allowing to listen to introduced in each IT system, which has so far cost around 12 VAT. Like for example of this, it's include a software licenses and key.